Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Hiragana Quest to learn Japanese alphabet that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running. So in here, search in Hiragana Quest, and here it is. So if you noticed, I have already installed this ahead of time. And before we open this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So Hiragana Quest, master both Japanese alphabets with your guides Hirako and Katato. Pronunciation, keywords, building blocks, stories, drawing, test yourself, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and open it now. And here it is. So let me also share this with you why you love Hiragana Quest. Simple stories or mnemonics for each character make learning simple and fun. Learn over 100 characters in just a few hours. Our system ensures you'll remember what you learned in years to come. Follow guides and trace each stroke on your screen. Test yourself on the characters you have learned. Earn experience points and level up your learning. Simple and intuitive UI makes Japanese learning easy and fun. So this is the interface, and if you notice, there's lesson 2. You will see us learn another 7 characters and 3 more vital building blocks. So start. So there, tap to hear the pronunciation and repeat out loud. So this is ko. So Japanese, and this is the English counterpart, or the Romaji. Next is koi. So koi is a Japanese variety of carp. There, the explanation below. And then new building block. These 2 parallel lines will represent a pair of koi. So there. Building block is ko. There, pictogram of 2 beautifully patterned koi circling each other in a pond. And if you go to the menu, you will see this. Test me, Hiragana, frequently asked question. Settings, about, context, and reset data. Test me is where you can test your skills. So this one, how you write it, if I remember it correctly, it's going to be like that. So there. And keywords, there, udon, building blocks. So there. Stories, you'll be able to know information about this particular word. Did you know udon noodles are the surfer's favorite meal? And then reset, there, pass, and then give up. So that's how you write it. First stroke is going to be like that. Next, and then let's go back to the menu again. Let's search the settings. So settings, only language is available. 2 language, English and Italiano. Then let's go back and frequently asked questions. Okay, it's going to be a browser, open in a browser. So let's go to return to course. So you'll have to continue this one here. I already know the basic, the Hiragana and Katakana, this one here, but from time to time I'm also learning the basics so that I won't be able to forget it. So this application is really good for beginner level. If you're planning to travel to Japan, if you haven't learned any Japanese language, so I highly suggest that you have this application with you so that you'll be able to communicate. Alright, there. So next one is koi. Okay, there. Next. Okay, just one more time. Alright, so congratulations. It looks like you have to hang out code if you feel the story is clear in your mind. Let's move on. So continue course. Next lesson is going to be me. There. So I'm not going to finish this since I'm already good in Hiragana and Katakana. I already memorized this. There's no need for me to start from scratch. Alright, so just follow the strokes and you'll be able to write it properly. There, so there's a story here. We see the cobra standing over a pond having a nip at the carp with his fangs. So there. So let me just go back. Alright, so these are the things that you will need to learn for hiragana. Test is current lesson, previous lesson, hiragana. So I am already good at this. I'm not going to complete this since I already memorized all of this in my head. So that's how you use this application, and I hope that you have learned something for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.